So question 2 from section 3.5, graphing techniques, and we'll call transformations. So transformations is when we start to move the graph around and then stretch it or shrink it based on what we're doing with the problem. The easiest thing to do is just what we call the shifts. Stretching and shrinking gets a little bit trickier. So let's see, question 2 says, write the function whose graph is the graph of y equals x squared, but it's shifted to the right 6 units. So I remember when it comes to shifts, a horizontal shift is a left and right concept. So and you also have to be kind of thinking backwards of what you see. So if I gave you f of x minus h, what happens is this is going to shift the graph to the right. If I have f of x plus h, that's going to shift the graph to the left. So if I have the graph y equals x squared, if I graph that, notice how the origin is 0, 0. Where I want the vertex to move to the right 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want the vertex to be over here to the right at 6, 0. So inside kind of means to put the minus 6 on the inside. So this is going to be in parentheses then, this x minus 6 squared. So that should make the graph actually go to the right. So if I go y equals and graph that one as well, and this is going to be in red, x minus 6 squared, if I graph that, notice that the graph did move to the right. So inside, again, notice how I'm kind of inside the function. I'm replacing x with something that's considered inside. Inside is kind of what we call horizontal shifts, which you have to also think backwards. So this is what we call inside thinking. You're actually replacing x with a new piece, x minus 6. So like I said, if f of x equaled x squared, then notice that f of x minus 6 is going to equal x minus 6 squared. So like I said, that's what we're looking for. So these are what we call our horizontals. These are going to be described as our verticals. So x plus h is going to actually make it move left. X minus h is going to move it right. Plus k is actually going to make the graph move up. A minus k is actually going to make the graph move down. Those are our vertical and horizontal transformations.